All right, today, folks, I'm here with no other, my main man, Mr. John Akins himself. And this is Radford Homes, Drywall Day. Talk to him, John. Take him away.
Drywall install, Radford Homes. Come on inside, take a look. All right, guys, as you can see, the tool is hanging drywall.
Go in a little bit, John. Go ahead, John, right there. Talk to them, John. Tell them what they're doing.
Cut out the doorway to make the seam right there.
Central Florida Texture and Paint, 863-651-8325.
Right now we're getting ready to install about 4 feet. Instead of cutting out everything to the back.
Talk to him, John.
Whatever's left over, they cut it. So it'll be less seed. These are called butt seeds. These are called seeds. Cut that out. Spread it off. One cup.
Come over here, John. Is this the kitchen area, John?
Kitchen wall here. And you can see the ceiling is all tight.
So he walking on the stilts?
Yes. That's all I have to do. Get that extra height. So, he's filling the seams in right now. Don't worry about that, folks. You might see a gap right here. You might see a gap right here. That's because there's a single nail go here. And then it's going that up. The reason why they haven't got that is because the drywall is This is the first completed room here. All done. The next stage is, this is level 1. The next stage, once we fill in all these here, we'll start our seam, tape, and mud. Once we do the tape and the mud, then we'll come back and do all our corner beads, and then we do our texture. So you have 4 rounds of mud. This is number 1. Number 2 is the first bedding coat, which is a bed, mud seam. Then we'll come back on the top seam, and then we'll come back with a skim coat. And then we're ready for some texture.
You're gonna do knockdown?
Absolutely. Knockdown, light knockdown, entire house.
Okay, what about the other bedrooms? Let's go to the master. Let's go to the master bedroom.
This is the master over here. Of course, we're still waiting to come ahead and knock this out. Only reason they haven't done this is because we have stacks of drywall over here, so we're going to finish everything away and then come over and knock this out.
All right. Hey, John. John. Turn. No, John. John, that is outstanding what's going on there. So talk to him a little bit and tell him what's really going down in there.
Totally complete. So we're going to go ahead and get this drywall installed. Go ahead and get it mudded and taped. Go ahead and get that texture on there, and then we're going to beautify with some nice paint in there from Sherwin-Williams.
All right. Thank you, John. Appreciate you. New build. Brand new from the ground up. Radford Homes. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. Keep God first. Luke 1:37. You can do all things. Radford Homes, building inside the CRA area in West Bartow. To God be the glory. All right, we got it all drywalled up. She drywalled up, baby. Check out the master bedroom. It's huge. All right, this is a brand new house. Radford Homes. Just finished drywalling the whole entire place. Central Florida texture and paint. 150 boards of drywall. All right, here's your master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Check out the walk-in closet. All right. And that's a walk-in closet, folks. Come all the way in. Turn. Got all the drywall up in here. Brand new construction that we're building from the ground up. And we're putting it on the market. Master bedroom is huge. Check out the master bathroom, double vanity, right there. All right, got everything drywalled up. Got our Durock on the wall. You see the Durock. We're gonna be tiling it up in the shower. You got to step down into the shower. So you step down here. That's your toilet, yeah. And there's your vanity area there. And you can look out your window here. All right, into your master bedroom. All right, then you come into it's gonna be your kitchen area right here. Where we got all the boards. Here's your laundry room here. All right, tankless hot water heater. Washer and dryer. Electrical panel. All right, you got your living room area here. And then you got your, for your kitchen, pantry. Then you have another huge bedroom. All right, and then you got your attic right there with your pull down with a storage all up there. And you have a double closet in here. All drywalled up. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's all about drywall, baby. Got it all up. Here is your second bathroom. Okay, you got a tub in here. You got your Durock on the wall. You're gonna be tiling it up with wall tile. Okay. Toilet's there. And your vanity's there. Once again, this is your kitchen area right here. We're gonna be putting granite or quartz countertop, a high-end finished kitchen. This is your living room area. This is a 2,000 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Built by Joey Manning and Radford Homes. All right, it's the 4th bedroom. All right, and that bungalow house right there is the reason why this house is here. I purchased that bungalow house right there for $30,000 and remodeled it. Put about another $35,000 into it, so I got $65,000. Then I split the lot. And I built this new house we're standing in. So that's the mother of this house. And that bungalow was built in 1920 and remodeled in 2020 by Radford Homes. That's how you do it, folks. Buy a property with a large parcel and split the lot and build a new house. And then you can either rent it or you can sell it. Okay? Radford Homes. All right. Thank y'all for riding with us. Come outside. You got some beautiful homes out here. All right. You can reach us at 863-410-0877. Four bedroom, 2 bath, 2,000 square feet. To be exact, 1960. Radford Homes, let's go, baby. Keep God first. Luke 137, you can do everything with him. All right. I'm in the CRA area, in my hood, baby. In my hood, building houses. Started as a dream. We're doing it one house at a time. Salute my wife, Sabrina Radford. Let's go.